few years ago, it felt like every AI side hustle was printing money. People were selling prompt packs, publishing AI ebooks, launching AI blogs, creating AI influencers, starting AI agencies. For a while, almost anything with the letters A and I attached to it seemed profitable. Then reality arrived. Competition exploded, margins collapsed, and suddenly thousands of people discovered something uncomfortable. Just because AI can do something doesn't mean people will pay for it. So if we eliminate the hype, ignore the gurus, and focus only on what businesses are actually spending money on in 2026, one AI side hustle stands above the rest. But before we get there, we need to talk about the ones that are quietly dying. Side hustle number one, selling prompt. Remember when people were selling prompt packs? Some creators made serious money doing it. But today, most AI tools generate excellent prompts automatically. ChatGPT can literally help users write better prompts, which creates a strange situation. You're trying to sell something that the product itself can increasingly create for free. That's not a great business model. It's like selling maps to people who already have GPS. Could you still make money? Sure, but it's becoming harder every year. Side hustle. Number two, AI ebooks. This one looked brilliant on paper. Generate a book, upload it, earn passive income. The problem? Everyone had the same idea. Thousands of AI-generated books flooded online marketplaces. Many were low quality. Many offered little value. And consumers became more cautious. The issue isn't AI. The issue is competition. When everybody can create the same thing, standing out becomes difficult. Side hustle number three, content farms. This is where people create huge amounts of AI-generated content, hoping volume creates income. Blogs, websites, articles. The strategy worked surprisingly well for a while. Then search engines adapted. Audiences adapted. Competition adapted. The internet already contains more content than anyone can consume in multiple lifetimes. Adding more isn't automatically valuable. Creating better content is. Side hustle number four, selling AI courses. This is where things get awkward. Because many people teaching AI businesses make more money teaching AI businesses than running AI businesses. Think about that. Imagine a swimming instructor who's never been in a pool. That's not ideal. The problem isn't education. The problem is saturation. Everyone wants to teach. Fewer people want to solve real-world problems. And that's where the opportunity starts appearing. The winner. The only AI side hustle that continues getting stronger in 2026 is surprisingly simple: AI implementation. Not AI creation, AI implementation. In other words, helping businesses actually use AI. Most companies know AI matters. Very few know how to deploy it effectively, and that gap creates opportunity. A real example: earlier this year, I spoke with a small real estate agency. Nothing fancy. 5 agents, 1 office manager. The office manager spent nearly 2 hours every day manually organizing incoming leads. 2 hours. Every day. That's roughly 10 hours every week. Over 40 hours every month. An entire work week disappearing into repetitive tasks. The solution wasn't complicated. We created a workflow that automatically collected leads, categorized them, prioritized serious buyers, and generated follow-up tasks. The first version took around 3 hours to build. 3. The office manager got most of her week back. The business responded faster, and the system continued running every day. That's value. Why this side hustle is different. Notice something important. The business wasn't paying for AI. The business was paying for time savings. That's the key difference. Business owners don't wake up wondering, how can I use Claude today? They wake up wondering, how can I save time? How can I increase revenue? How can I reduce repetitive work? AI simply happens to be one of the best tools available to achieve those outcomes. The tool question. This is where most beginners get stuck. They ask, which AI tool should I learn? Wrong question. The better question is, what problem am I solving? Different problems require different tools. For research, I'd often choose Perplexity because it provides current sources. For long-form document analysis, Claude is excellent. For workflow automation, n8n is incredibly flexible and cost-effective. For outreach systems, tools like Instantly can be extremely useful. The tool depends on the problem, not the other way around. Why this opportunity is growing. The interesting thing about AI is that it becomes more valuable as adoption increases. A few years ago, businesses ignored it. Today, they understand it exists. Tomorrow, they'll expect it. And every new business that wants AI creates demand for people who know how to implement it. That's why this opportunity continues growing while many others become crowded. Everyone seems to be chasing the next viral AI trick, but most of those opportunities disappear as quickly as they appear. The one AI side hustle that's still working in 2026 isn't about generating random content. It's about solving real business problems. Thousands of small businesses still need help creating marketing content, managing customer support, automating repetitive tasks, and improving their online presence with AI. Instead of competing with millions of creators for ad revenue, you're providing a service companies are happy to pay for month after month. In the full video, I'll show you exactly why this model still works, the AI tools behind it, and how you can start even if you're beginning with zero experience. If I were starting from scratch in 2026, I wouldn't sell prompts. I wouldn't build content farms. I wouldn't chase every new AI trend appearing on social media. I'd focus on implementation. Because implementation solves problems, and businesses pay for problems to disappear. The biggest opportunities rarely look exciting from the outside. They're usually hidden inside boring workflows, repetitive tasks, and operational headaches. But that's exactly where the money is. Because while everyone else is asking, how can AI make me money? The better question is, how can AI help someone else save money, save time, or make more money? Answer that question consistently, and you'll never run out of opportunities.